How to free up disk space on Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. So if you want to free up your disk space on your Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11, then what you need to do is just simply go with your file manager at first. Once you're on your file manager, you need to go with local disk C, or you can go with this PC and then open up your local disk C. And once you're here, you need to just scroll down and then go with Windows folder. Once you're in your Windows folder, you need to scroll down and go with software distribution. Once you find your software distribution, you will have the download option right here. You need to click on the download folder, and here you can go and delete all of these folders. Once your PC or once your Windows is up to date, there's no risk in deleting all of these. So make sure that your Windows is up to date, and then you can go and delete all of these. Hit the delete button, and once it's deleted, your problem will be fixed. You will free up a lot of disk space on your Windows. Once it's deleted, you can just simply go back, and here you need to just press Windows and R keys together, and you will have the run here. You need to just type WSRESET and then hit the enter. And this will clear your Microsoft Store cache. It will open up your Microsoft Store and it will clear your cache on your Microsoft Store. After that, what you need to do is just simply again open up your run command, press Windows and R keys together, and here now you need to enter clean mgr and hit the enter. Now select the C drive, go with OK, and here you can select the temporary internet files, the recycle bin, the temporary files, your thumbnails, and go with clean system files. Click on OK, and that's it. It will clean. Go with OK, and this will fix your problem. Make sure that you've only selected temporary internet files and your recycle, your temporary files, and after that go with OK and click on delete files and wait for a few seconds, and it's done. So in this way, you'll be able to clean up your C drive or your Windows space, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.